Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot reset password. This Apple ID is not valid or not supported in iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you are trying to reset your Apple ID password but you are facing this type issue that whenever you try to reset your password, you see a pop-up message or an issue. So let's see how can you fix that. You just have to go back. So there's the only way to fix the issue. You have to contact with Apple support team. Now to do that, first I recommend you have to check your network that you have a strongest and stable network connection. Then go back, open your settings, go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. Go back again, go for software update and try to make a software update. If you have any pending update here, then go back again, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode here, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. It will not read any type of data, so it will be fixed in this step. So your network once has been resetted, you just have to open your Apple Support app, or you can also use Apple Support Web, or you can easily install this app from your App Store. Select your iPhone from here, and then select More option, select App Store, and then select Get More Help, select Call Us. Now you'll find a phone number whenever you want to talk. You have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.